Guys, we have a new Ford Raptor project in today. Brand new Ford Raptor, came straight from the dealership. Still has temp tags on. I mean, we can all agree the Ford Raptor is pretty cool already, right? But it could be better. Oh yeah, this will be sick for the front. Yeah, we'll get this for the matching back.
This is how you take off part of the rear bumper on the toughest truck in Texas.
That's just the cover? Wow.
I gotta drill through all the wells.
Moments later. More moments later.
What lights are going on the back? So I can remove grab to transport.
Just mechanic talk. All mechanic
passage. So I don't die. Never let go.
Is it almost in?
No! Second try. Somebody else try. What? Okay.
Yo, it looks good. What do you guys think? Satin black Ford Raptor. This is mean. When we first got this Raptor, it was 100% stock. Nothing was touched. So we went with Photosync window tint for all the windows to get the maximum heat rejection possible. 30% on the sides and the back, 70% on the sunroof and the front windshield. Whole car is completely wrapped and protected by Satin Guard. So the car was once black, now it's satin black or translucent black, matte black. It's all three basically in one. Really cool, unique finish. And the best part is rock chips, scratches are a thing of a past. But we didn't just stop there. We also upgraded the front and rear bumpers to ADD Stealth Fighters to give that nice aggressive look. We also upgraded the intercooler from ADD. 40-inch light bar dead smack in the middle, 10 inches on the side, and a pair of dualies to high beam anyone who gets too close to you when driving. And since the front bumper had an opening for a winch, we had to fill that in. And here's a view from the inside through the front windshield with Photosync 70, side window with Photosync 30, back window with Photosync 30, and I guess the back window with Photosync 30, top windows and Photosync 70. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you want the same thing for your Raptor, hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below.
Which one's which and which one goes where? I've got no underwear.